Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all in your own channel. Friends, in our tutorial series under Zero to Hero, this is the episode number 24 in English version. Although friends, the Hindi version is also available on the channel in separate playlist. And in continuation to our Zero to Hero in English version, in the last episode we had covered double tops formation, which is a reversal chart pattern, bearish reversal chart pattern. In this episode, we will be covering the double bottom formation, which is again a reversal chart pattern, but bullish reversal chart pattern. So, the prior trend has to be in the downtrend, maybe short term, intermediate trend, or a long term trend. And then such kind of formation, when there is a breakout, it gives the confirmation that the trend is reversing and has reversed. So friend, in today's episode, we will learn what is double bottom, what is the psychology behind formation of such pattern, and then after we have identified on the price chart double bottom formation and its breakout, then how we can trade the double bottom formation, how to set the stop loss, how to decide the entry price, and then how to arrive at the target. All these would be discussed in this particular episode. Let me first emphasize you friends that double bottom formation are quite reliable pattern, and very frequently you will find that these pattern appears either after a short term trend reversal or an intermediate trend reversal. So friends, if you are watching this video and not yet subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel. Enable the notification bell after you have subscribed the channel so that you are well notified on time for upcoming uploads. And friends, if you want to join as a member of this channel, then friends, on home page of this channel, there is a join button. You can click on that join button for added benefits, and all details are there which you can know after clicking the join button. So friends, let's begin this particular tutorial for double bottom. So let us first understand what are the double bottom price patterns. They are also known as chart patterns. So first and foremost thing, it's very important to understand, as the name suggests, double bottom means there is some kind of price pattern which is emerging on the price chart where two bottoms are nearly the same. I have used the word, mark my word, nearly the same. It need not to be identically the same. So friend, double bottom formation, what does it indicate in terms of market psychology? Because market was in downtrend and was making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation, which is the market structure in a downtrending market. And a point comes where the market stops making lower low, is the first indication probably there is a exhaustion on the downside where the market is failing to make newer low, and then market gives a good pullback, then again comes back to the same level forming the second bottom, but again fails to form the lower lows. Means there is a indication that whenever market is coming to this particular level, the buyers are interested to buy at that particular price. So friends, double bottom will appear in accumulation zone after a downtrending market. So the location is very important. The prior trend has to be downtrend. And then such appearance indicates that probably the market has decided to change its trend from downtrend to the uptrend. Means the market is now entering into markup phase where it is likely to make higher highs and higher lows kind of market structure, giving multiple swing trading opportunity. So let us understand double bottom. So double bottom is a reversal chart pattern. To be very precise, it is bullish reversal chart pattern. In the last episode, we covered double top where the exhaustion was on the top, which appeared at distribution phase after a uptrending market. But in this case, it is appearing in the accumulation phase after a downtrending market. And friend, the double bottom looks like W shape. Means its formation, if you see the formation of this bottom, it will look like let me explain you by drawing. If the market is making some kind of formation, which is, let me select the pointer so that I can explain. See, it was a downtrending move. Then what? Market has given a pullback. Then again comes back, makes the similar kind of bottom, not similar, nearly similar, and then goes this. So this kind of W-shaped pattern gets formed on the price chart. And hence it is many a times referred to as W pattern. While double top patterns are known as M pattern because they are formed something like opposite of it. So market is in uptrend, makes a correction, then again goes to test the top and then makes this kind of pattern. So W pattern and M pattern. And friend, breakout of double bottom indicates that the trend has reversed. Means when there is a breakout of a double bottom pattern, which we'll understand in a little while from now, when there is a breakout of double bottom pattern, it confirms the trend reversal in technical analysis terms. So friends, let's move ahead to understand further about all about double bottom. Now let us understand double bottom formation on price chart in pictorial diagram for conceptual clarity. Friends, as I have explained you that prior trend has to be downtrending move, and then suddenly, because in downtrending mode we have already covered under 0 to hero that what is market structure. Market makes lower highs and lower lows kind of formation. And then a stage comes in the market where market stops making lower low kind of formation, where you will find the formation like double bottom formation where similar bottoms have been formed, nearly similar bottom has been formed, indicating that the market has stopped making lower lows kind of formation. So let us pictorially understand for conceptual clarity. And this is the double bottom. So this was the downtrending move. Market was continuously falling, making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation. And here the market makes a bottom, then takes a good pullback. This is the pullback against the original prevailing trend, which was a downtrend. So this move is a kind of corrective wave formation which has taken place, but this kind of move is quite substantially okay if it is seen that if this move is around 10 to 12% or more, and then market takes a correction to make similar kind of bottom, another bottom, and fails here to make lower bottom, lower lows kind of formation. What does it indicate? That buyers are coming into action at this particular price line where they are interested to buy. And the sellers are getting weaker and weaker as the price moves to this particular support level. And here the buying action starts, and this nearly similar bottom are formed. And once the price break out of this apex between these two bottoms, the highest point is this. So this is called apex of double bottom. When this price goes above this apex line, it is called a breakout of a double bottom. So if we draw a horizontal line at apex level, this is called neckline of the double bottom. If the price breaks out of neckline, what it indicates? Here the first time the market has failed to make lower low while it has made a new high. So market has started making higher highs kind of a structure, and at this point we can say that the reversal, trend reversal is confirmed and market is now ready to move up. And at this point we say now the market is entering into markup phase, which is also called public participation phase. I am referring to one of the doctrines of Charles M. Dow, which we have already covered under 0 to hero session. So once the price has broken out of this neckline, it confirms the trend reversal, where our instance as a trader, our instance as a technical analyst must change, and now we should look for a trading opportunity towards long side. We buy low and sell at a higher price. Up till this stage, when market was falling, our stance was sell higher and cover lower or buy lower. So we were searching for short selling opportunity. But after this kind of reversal pattern, which is a double bottom pattern, has appeared and the price has broken the neckline, our stance has changed towards long trade. So trend is your friend. Let us never forget, the moment our friend has become stronger on long side, we will do friendship with long trades, that is uptrend. So let us go to the price chart to understand conceptually as to how we can set the trading strategy in terms of double bottom. Before that, friend, I would like to explain you that it is very simple to calculate the target for double bottom. Here the two bottom, we will measure the height of this from this bottom to the neckline. We will measure the height and project height from the point of breakout. This will give the target of double bottom. However, there is a tendency when this is the resistance line, neckline was nothing but a resistance line which is taken out by price action because the buyers were dominating over sellers. So here there will be majority of the time there will be tendency when the price breaks out, price reverses to test the neckline, and then again the price reverses, bounces back from the neckline, giving indication that neckline is being now acting as a support, and there will be some formation of bullish candlestick pattern when the price bounces off of neckline. There could be a bullish pin bar, it could be one white soldier, it could be bullish engulfing, any kind of, or one white soldier, any kind of bullish candlestick pattern that we have covered in the 0 to hero tutorial will get formed at this point of time. So majority of the traders, I would say many traders, normally wait for correction to take place and then show a bounce back to make an entry at this point. What should be our stop loss? Our stop loss could be, if you are entering at the bounce back, then our stop loss would be previous swing low, and if you are entering here soon after the breakout has taken place, then a stop loss could be 1 ATR below the neckline. And this is how, and any target that what we have said is minimum objective for any price pattern. However, the best strategy would be to ride the trend by trailing the stop loss, and the process of moving price is moving up, it will form several pivots because market doesn't go in a straight line up. It will be a formation of higher highs and higher lows kind of formation, giving us several opportunity to trail the stop loss. according to the market structure what we witness on the price chart. So friend, now let us move straight away to the price chart to have conceptual understanding of with an example on the price chart. Now friends, we will see an example of double bottom on the price chart and also learn as to how we can effectively trade when such formation appear on the price chart. So friends, let's straight away go to the price chart and discuss about the trading strategy that we can formulate when there is a breakout of double bottom formation post uptrending downtrending market in accumulation phase. So friend, this is the price chart and this is the price chart of SDFC in daily time frame, and here it was in a downtrending move and you can see it has made one bottom here. Then there was a good pullback, and after pullback again, that is why friend, if you see various technical analysis that we perform on our channel, I clearly say and emphasize many a times that V-shape recovery doesn't sustain. So never think in haste that I have lost the opportunity or you have lost the opportunity because the price has gone too high. So friend, when there is a downtrending move and this kind of V-shaped recovery has taken place, believe me, 99.99% of the time market will correct to form certain kind of reversal chart pattern, and for that it has to correct. Either it will form inverse head and shoulder or friend it will form double bottom kind of formation, and you can see this was a parabolic rise and similarly vertical fall was witnessed and again a next bottom was formed. So these are the two similar kind of bottom which has been formed as the price line of 1961, and you can see the market has failed to make lower low kind of structure, which here it was making. This low is lower than this low is lower than this. So this kind of market structure was existing, which is now no more existing after a formation of double bottom, because the similar bottom has been formed, which indicates that people are not interested to further sell. So at this price line, the buyers are getting dominant over sellers, and you can see when these two bottoms got formed, apex of the highest point between these two bottoms was as 2189, which is marked as apex. So I can always draw a horizontal line on my price chart when I see a double bottom kind of formation and a reversal. You can see the price consolidated for few days, and then there is a candlestick pattern which is called one white soldier has been formed here, and the price has gone up. Here the price has clearly given a breakout of this apex line. Breakout is well defined when a candle closes above the highest point between these two bottoms, which is called apex. If any candle closes above high of the apex, it is called breakout. So you can see this particular candle has broken out and given a closing above high of the apex, and here it gives an opportunity to check the volume first, whether extent of participation exists or not. So we can see there is a surge in the volume also when this breakout candle was formed. So it confirms the reversal in the pattern. Now we can have two types of entry strategy for a long trade. One, we can set a buy stop order above a high of the breakout candle, which is coming because high of the breakout candle is 22.28. So I'll put a buy stop order 22.29. If that order is triggered, I am into trade, or else I could avoid the trade. Or else there can be another strategy that I will wait for its pullback. See the pullback, which has price has corrected and then tested the neckline, and then again here you can see the formation of a bullish candlestick pattern. So I will make an entry here above high of this candle. So friend, what will be my stop loss? My stop loss would be 1 ATR below this neckline. ATR is a tool to know the how much volatile is this particular stock where such formation has taken place. Because we don't want our stop loss to be triggered in market noises. So we use the tool called ATR, and since the price has broken out of this neckline, means this neckline will be now an immediate support. So 1 ATR below, a stop loss is set so that our stop loss is well protected even in the market noises. And we put a buy stop order above high of the breakout candle, and you can see the price got triggered, and then our target would be, we measure the height, bottom is 1961, apex is 2189. So we calculate this height, means 2189 minus 1961, and then we project the target from the neckline upside. So the target is coming at 2457. So fairly good risk reward, because we are taking a risk of this much per share while our target is coming much higher. Now in this we can either book the profit at target, or can decide to trail the stop loss and ride the trend, because in any chart pattern the target so calculated is minimum expected target. You can say the price has corrected, then again gone up. So we can here draw a trend line also, which will help us to trail the stop loss. Or once the target has been achieved here, we can see the price corrected and then went up. So here we can trail our stop loss to this previous swing low. When another swing low is formed, we can set the stop loss here, and accordingly we can trail the stop loss and ride the trend to take maximum out of the upcoming uptrending move. Because once the double bottom formation is there and there is a breakout, the market was in downtrending mode. Now market has just entered into uptrending mode, and markup phase has just started, where the market structure would be formation of higher highs and higher lows kind of formation. So friend, this was all about double bottom. So now let us discuss about what are the important things to be kept in mind before we initiate the trade, and certain rules which you should always bear in mind before you trade the double bottom breakout. So friends, let's now understand certain rules and certain important things to be kept in mind when we trade double bottom kind of formation. It is very, very important to know that, and not only to know, but to reassure when there is a breakout of double bottom formation, that whether the price has closed, the breakout candle closing should be above the apex of the double bottom. The moment we take care of this particular aspect, our success rate in double bottom formation and its related trading would be much higher. This has got the reference from the Encyclopedia of Chart Pattern by Boskowski, which has done over studies over 35,000 chart patterns, and come to the conclusion, whenever there is a breakout candle closing above the apex of the double bottom, the probability of its success is much higher. Second important part is that you should confirm that when there is a breakout has taken place, whether there is an increase in the volume with respect to prior day volume. If prior day volume indicates more or less same kind of volume, then at least check prior 3 days average, and then see whether the breakout candle which has been formed on the price chart, the volume on that candle should be higher than the average of past 3 days average volume. And then friend, what should be our entry? The entry should be above a high of the breakout candle. So we put a buy stop order above high of the breakout candle. Even before the market has opened, we can put the order like this. And if our order is triggered, we are into trade, or else to a large extent we will be able to avoid the false breakout. And then friends, what should be our stop loss? Our stop loss would be 1 ATR below. ATR is an indicator, although I have not covered yet under 0 to hero, but in your charting tool you can select ATR and check the value of ATR. However, we will be covering under 0 to hero. So 1 ATR below the neckline would be our stop loss. Why we select ATR to fix the stop loss is because the moment neckline is broken out, the price has gone past the neckline, which means the neckline will now act as a support, and 1 ATR below, so that our stop loss is protected in market noises to a large extent. And then friend, what will be our target? Our target would be the entry plus height of double bottom, or neckline value or height of double bottom. Here I have written entry plus double bottom simply because the minimum objective for any chart pattern is what we are discussing. If you add the height over neckline, it is the minimum target. I am sharing what I do. I fix a stop loss, I fix a target, my entry, which is nothing but above high of the breakout candle plus the height of the double bottom. You can follow even the neckline plus height, the target. Ultimately, if you intend to ride the trend and trail the stop loss, that is the best way we should work in the market to take maximum out of the upcoming uptrend, because market has just entered into markup phase where the market structure would be formation of higher highs and higher lows kind of formation. So friend, if you have liked this presentation, please give a thumbs up to this video. It motivates me. Do share this video among your friend circle, social base, so that others can also benefit out of this, and in the process they can subscribe this channel to be part of your family and our family, where we keep on learning all about technical analysis of financial market. Friend, if you are watching this video, not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, enable the notification bell so that you are well notified on time for upcoming new uploads. And also check out on join button on home page as to what is our membership program at for additional benefit of this channel and added benefit. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you again soon.